Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to Australian Trains Vlogs. And in this video, I just want to wish you guys a happy Australia Day. And I hope you guys enjoy your day. I hope you guys enjoyed your day. You had a fun time watching fireworks, being at Sydney Harbour Bridge. And so, what I did today was I just went out to see. I went to see the fireworks and the show Sydney Harbour. So Sydney Opera House, Sydney Harbour Bridge, watching the fireworks there, singing the national anthem, and it was really fun. So I'm gonna upload a video of that, but unfortunately I don't have enough time to upload it today and edit it today. So I'm gonna actually upload it tomorrow and the day after, and then I'll upload it on the 28th. So I hope you guys are okay with that. I'm not sure if it's going to be delayed or not, but hope it's not. And yeah, subscribe to Australian Trains Vlogs. And also, before I go, I wanted to mention my friend. He was at an Indian restaurant and he was just having a normal time. And then he was recording these fireworks. They just went off because it was Australia Day, obviously. And I'll have the last few minutes of the fireworks and then I'll end the video. So yeah, subscribe to Australian Trains Vlogs. Cheers. Oh, wow. I was about to make it. This is the best spot. Is it? Yes. You missed it. Where's Ashley? Ashley, go.